Introducing the Spectrum Pro Eclipse 10-inch advanced LED ring light. You may already be familiar with our Spectrum Aurora range of ring lights. Let's take a closer look at what separates the Spectrum Pro ring lights from the rest of the range. Firstly, let's take a look at what's included. You've got the Spectrum Pro padded carry case for the ring light and the accessories. You've also got a 1.8 meter light stand for the light. And inside the bag, we've got the Spectrum Pro Eclipse 10-inch ring light. We have the AC power adapter, the padded flexible gooseneck, and the advanced rail mounting system for the light stand and to support DSLR or mirrorless cameras. Running through some of the features of the Spectrum Pro 10-inch Eclipse LED ring light, firstly are its physical features. It's 10 inches in diameter, it's 5.1 inches through the center opening, it's also 2.5 inches in thickness, and the light itself weighs 1 kilo overall. The LEDs have a lifespan of 50,000 hours, and they're rated with a CRI rating of 95+, which means excellent color rendition in your photos and videos. Now, some of the dials here at the back, the LEDs themselves are 3000 Kelvin to 5500 Kelvin adjustable, and also dimmable between 1 to 100%. You have preset toggle options on the power button on a single press between 3000 Kelvin, 4250 Kelvin, and 5500 Kelvin. You also have an LCD display that displays the color temperature settings as well as your power intensity settings straight on the dial here. You have DMX512 inputs that allow you to plug into a DMX controller, and you have two powering options. Firstly, with Sony NP-F series batteries, if you want a portable option, these are sold separately, and the included AC adapter power option. Now lastly, you have the USB plug that allows you to plug into a smartphone through a USB cable or to your camera. If the ring light itself is plugged into an AC adapter, that allows for powering options for your devices. There are two advanced accessories included with the Eclipse ring light. Firstly is the flexible gooseneck. This doubles up as a hand grip as well as a light stand mount. We also have an adjustable rail mount. This allows you to mount a camera so you can shoot through the ring light. This rail mount also features a 1/4 inch thread, so you can mount a quick release plate to use with your existing camera tripod. Running through the menu options of the Eclipse ring light, press the power button down for 3 seconds to power on, and you have two dial controls here. You've got the color temperature dial and the power intensity dial. The power intensity goes from 1% to 100%, and the color temperature goes from 3000 Kelvin to 5500 Kelvin. You can see that the LCD display alternates between the power intensity as well as the color temperature as you adjust it on the dial. You also have the DMX ports located right at the top here. The power button doubles up as preset toggle switches for color temperature, so you can switch between 3000 Kelvin to 4250 Kelvin and 5500 Kelvin. Now to power it off, simply hold it down for 3 seconds until the off signal shows on the LCD display. Here's a quick power output comparison to our popular Spectrum Aurora Gold Lux ring light. The Eclipse ring light differentiates itself from other ring lights because there's several different ways to use it. Firstly, in its standard configuration using the light stand bracket. If you have an assistant available, you can remove this hand grip from the light stand and use it as a handheld light and position it in which way you like. You can also use it with the adjustable rail mount and mount it to an existing camera tripod or to the provided light stand as a stationary light. And lastly, you can use it as a handheld light for a camera operator for portable, convenient run and gun setups. The Eclipse ring light can be used in different lighting configurations, whether it's a single light option with just using the light as a key light, in a 2-light option with using one of our S-beam lights as a fill light, or a 3-light configuration for a full studio setup for a fill light, a background light, and the Eclipse being your main key light.